Good evening, Ton Europe. To everyone gathered here, developers, founders, partners, the Ton Foundation, and our brilliant community. Thank you. What an incredible moment this is. Today, as we officially launch P2P Pro.in on this stage at this hackathon, it's not just a product release, it's the beginning of a wave in peer to peer crypto finance built on trustless systems, powered by the Ton blockchain, and deeply inspired by the spirit of decentralization that motivates, brings us all of us here together and for this vibrant community. So, which you see in front of you, what is it? P2P Pro.in. So, P2P Pro.in is the globe's first P2P USDC swap plus your nation's currency. Over here, Euro, in India, INR, in USA, dollar settlement network. Decentralized, secure, fast, and built for the next billion. It's a platform where users meet users, not custodians, not middlemen, not gatekeepers. A dApp where a farmer in Rajasthan can swap USDC Circle with a coder in Bangalore, with a Phantom or Townkeeper wallet via Jeton smart contracts, Anchor smart contracts that speak in code and execute in trust. And yes, we build this across chains with Ton Infra already integrated, and Ton, the gateway to global messaging and bot economy. Why Ton? Why here? Because Ton is the chain of the people. It's not just another L1. It's Telegram native, onboarding friendly. It's a mini app and ready to take crypto into the hands of actual users, not just degens or whales, but real people with real needs. When we looked at Ton speed, simplicity, integration with Telegram, we knew this was the highway we needed to scale P2P settlements in emerging markets, not tomorrow, today. As you can see on the screen, you click on the Ton Connect wallet and it connects with the Ton wallet. So what we have been able to build in the last 48 hours, we see a Telegram integrated smart contract escrow bot, built a Ton native USDC swap mockup using a real wallet to wallet swap contract, the Jeton smart contract, integrated Ton Connect and multi chain bridges to scale access, implemented KYC optional compliance models for regions like India, Nigeria, Brazil, and most of all, we proved that P2P crypto isn't just possible, it's inevitable. What we can see in the user interface of the app is that you have some option of buy USDC offers, in which vertical you can see the offers out there for you to purchase USDC in replacement of your nation's fiat currency. And also on the other side you have some sell USDC offers, which is basically you can sell. And finally you also have, if you want to make your own input offer, you can even do that. Ultimately, you are able to be interoperable and composable. So, at this moment, I'd like to take your departure, a moment of gratitude to the Ton Foundation. Your ecosystem support and mentorship make this real. To the hackathon organizers, thank you for this electric platform. To our early testers, builders, beta users, and investors, your feedback helped us survive the brutal testnet chaos. To the open source community, this is your win too. And to every other hacker there, we're not competitors, we're co-builders in a new global financial mesh. Vision ahead. This is just version 1. In the coming weeks, P2P Pro.in will add Southeast Asia's infrastructure, the UPI based merchant QR withdrawals. That is, the QR is your Telegram, is your method to reach the identity of the shopkeeper or the offline merchant. You also have a social fi aspect in it, tailored by default. When you transact between two people, by default, a Facebook-like mechanism gets triggered. That is, you are able to do social finance as well and have a social aspect as well. You are able to deploy multi-chain escrow logic for USDT, TON, and BTC. We are releasing the mobile app with Ton Connect, Phantom, and Telegram login. We're partnering with Ton mini app ecosystem and the DeFi protocols. We'll be testing our liquidity with real nations currencies, Euro, INR, live bot integrations, and real world merchant settlements, starting with India, expanding to LATAM and Africa. Final words: if you've ever been denied an account, blocked from withdrawing your currency, or lost in the noise of centralization, this one's for you. P2P Pro.in is live and it's just getting started.